Hi, my name is Goetstouwers. I'm the CEO of Admesy, and we make all kinds of measurement equipment for color and light measurement in the display industry.
So what do we see here?
This is our Viewfinder Spectrometer. So it'll basically give you the spectral data of a point on the display. So here you see that display over there, and you see a little dot, and this is the spectral data of that specific dot.
So how much can it measure? What's the limits?
It's basically a high-end spectrometer, so it will go down to 0.1 nanometer accuracy and a very high dynamic range.
And what do we see here?
This is the camera system. So This is a Y-luminance camera. We also have XYZ cameras and spot meter cameras. So this is for uniformity of the displays.
Nice.
And then over there we have a range of colorimeters. This one basically shows quite well what happens in real life. So you have your display. The display will show a number of patterns, and you can check the response time of the display, the flicker of the display, the white point of the display, gamma tuning, all kinds of stuff like that. And these are basically just different versions of it with different lenses, like a dual spot or a 10 millimeter.
All right. And
this is a 1.2 millimeter with a pointer. So it depends a little bit on the application or the display size. And then in the back you have the, sorry.
Not this year, probably next year.
Here in the back you have the spectrometer.
Why are you asking about timer?
It's a high-end spectrometer. You can use it for display measurements, but it's also used in analytical fields.
so like there's a box here, stuff here.
Yeah, here it's basically demonstrating measuring some filters. So these are XYZ filters, which you would also use in the colorimeter. But spectrometer is also used in filter manufacturing or all kinds of analytical applications like biomedical stuff.
And where is your company based?
We're based in the south of the Netherlands, in Ittervoort. It's just half an hour south of Eindhoven, generally a little bit known for Philips.
Are you famous in the industry? A lot of people working with your company?
I think when you look at the manufacturers of displays or the consumer electronics manufacturers, a lot of these people know us, yeah.
All right. And so you partner with people all over the world?
Yeah. So we work together sometimes with the end users, so like the consumer electronics brand. A lot of the times also with the system integrators, but also smaller test labs and stuff. Yeah.
Is it important to be very accurate in this business?
Yeah. So accuracy does matter in combination with speed. So it's not just about accuracy; it's also accuracy at a high speed. Because, like, if you work in the consumer electronics, you have to test like 100 million phones. So the speed also doesn't matter.
How fast are you?
Depends a little bit, but for example, that colorimeter in the back, it can measure 0.000025 nit in under 1 second. So I would say extremely fast.